Welcome to Dragon Jacket Insulation, where we engineer pre-jacketed insulation solutions. We'll be starting a new series called ProTip Tuesday, in which we'll be giving you tidbits of information in order for you to best understand our product, as well as to help your installation process run smoothly from beginning to end. Our first tip is to always install drip edges down. To showcase this is a 3-foot straight. It is a clamshell-like encapsulated system, and when brought together, this creates a seam, or what we call our drip edge. And we want to ensure that you guys know that we always install drip edges facing down. This keeps moisture out. If it rains, moisture hits and will just roll over the edges and stay out of the inside of the insulation. That is our pro tip number 1. Always install drip edges down. And always check us out at www.dragonjacket.com.